We are on the right-hand side of the locomotive at the firebox to talk about our oil pan fabrication project this winter. The oil pan will hang on a shelf that is attached to the mud ring of the firebox. The mud ring is a very thick piece of steel in the bottom of the firebox. That's what this rivet line is. In the mud ring, there are studs that Baldwin installed, and from that, we're gonna hang this shelf off of those studs. We in fact have the original Baldwin stud holes, which is an unusual taper and thread pattern, but ours are intact, so we are machining new studs to fit that. Currently, these are 3D printed just for testing in the front and the back, and then this is actually an original Baldwin stud that's still in good shape. We are currently making new ones. Once we do that, here is the shelf from the left-hand side of the locomotive. You can see this bolt pattern. It's the same on both sides. And when this is bolted here onto the mud ring, this shelf will be trowed inside the firebox by about 2 inches. On that shelf, we will hang the entire oil pan, which is where the oil burner and all of the fire brick will sit. But this is the next step for us, is fabricating the shelf, fitting the shelf, and then we'll start welding the oil pan into the firebox. We're at the left-hand side of the locomotive where we're going to temporarily reinstall our main rod. The main rod connects from the crosshead. The crosshead slides on the crosshead guides, like so. The main rod connects from the crosshead pin back to the pin on the number 3 driver. The connecting rods then transmit that power from the number 3 pin to the number 2 and number 1 drivers. So today we're gonna hoist this into place, mount that main rod so that we can take some measurements to produce the next parts that'll go on the locomotive. All right, Tim, go ahead and start lifting.